Danny, you've been working your way through the decision. It's from Judge Cannon, who was appointed by the former president. It is lengthy. This was a motion that had been filed by his legal team, and it was not one, frankly, that they expected to win. Anybody else who had looked at this had said the special counsel, Jack Smith, was rightly appointed. There was no constitutional issue, but she agreed. Is this reasoning going to stand up, Danny?
It might, but your question really implies what we all know is that it does not end here at the district court level. This will go up because this is not just a ruling on this specific case. This is a ruling on the constitutionality of the appointment of Jack Smith. So you better believe that Trump's team is loading this into their arsenal for any other case. Of course, the documents case and the January 6th case, they're going to use it. The argument is surprising in the sense that we've all been talking about immunity for the last couple weeks, the Supreme Court's decision there. This is not based really on immunity. It's based on the appointments clause of the Constitution and also the appropriations clause, which the court didn't even reach, but implied that that would be a grounds for tossing the case as well. And the bottom line is this. The appointments clause requires in the Constitution that someone like Jack Smith, according to the court, be appointed by the DOJ or by the executive branch, but it must be confirmed by the Senate. And so the argument there is that this violates that portion of the Constitution because Jack Smith was not appointed through this procedure. And the judge essentially says, Congress, there's a way to do this. And you could appoint Jack Smith the way all U.S. attorneys are appointed. And
Danny, the special counsel, if he wants to, could try to appeal this ruling now to the 11th Circuit, the federal appeals court. But given how things are going, given the timing issues, this, of course, has no hope of any resolution before the election.
It had little hope of getting to trial before the election. Now it has zero chance because whoever appeals, obviously the Jack Smith's team will appeal. And yes, it will go up to the circuit court. And I expect this is going to go pretty quickly to the Supreme Court. But however quickly it goes to the Supreme Court will not be quickly enough for the election. Now, I say that, and as you know, Laura, federal courts have a lot of power. Circuit courts can put things on speed, on high speed, in a way that they can't in other cases. So it's theoretically possible this could be decided in a matter of weeks, but it will not be in all likelihood. If Donald Trump is elected, this federal case is likely over, and maybe the other federal case against Donald Trump in D.C. as a result, at least tangentially, of this decision. Even though this decision has no precedential value or no controlling value over Judge Chutkan in D.C. District Court, it certainly gives the Trump team a blueprint going forward.
Yeah, I can't underscore enough what a win this is for him.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.